Let's get started, and thank you so much for pressing play today. Hello, my beautiful people, and welcome back to my channel. Or, if you are new here, a huge warm welcome to you. I'm so excited to have you join our creative community, where everyone is encouraged to express themselves and have fun. Today, we are going back to the very beginning, the absolute basics. Whether you're a total beginner or just want a refresher, this is the perfect place to start. We are talking about the magic of makeup, but for all of you who are just starting your incredible journey. Makeup can seem overwhelming at first, but I promise, it's all about taking it one step at a time. Maybe you just bought your first foundation, or perhaps you've been watching videos for ages, but felt a little scared to try it yourself. Trust me, we've all been there, and it's totally normal to feel a bit nervous. Well, fear no more. I am here to hold your hand, guide you through every single step, and show you that makeup is not about rules. It's about discovering what makes you feel confident and happy. It is about fun, it is about creativity, and most of all, it is about you feeling amazing. Makeup is a way to celebrate yourself, your uniqueness, and your style. So grab a drink, get comfy, and let's dive into the wonderful world of makeup together. Make this your time to relax, experiment, and enjoy the process. Think of this as your personal makeup 101 class, with me as your teacher. No pressure, no judgment, just learning and having a good time. We are going to strip everything back and focus on creating a simple, beautiful look that you can wear every single day. This is about building your confidence and finding what works for you. This is not about crazy, dramatic transformations, not yet anyway. This is about learning the fundamentals, understanding the products, and building a solid foundation of skills. You'll be amazed at how much you can do with just a few basics. Now, are you ready to learn about the power of makeup? Let's go! Grab your brushes, your favorite products, and let's make some magic together. Let's talk about something very close to my heart, a topic that's about so much more than just appearances. I'm talking about the true power of makeup and how it can transform not just how we look, but how we feel about ourselves. For me, and for so many others, makeup is so much more than just some colors we put on our faces. It's a way to express our personalities, our moods, and even our creativity. It is not about hiding who we are or trying to look like someone else. It's about embracing our individuality and celebrating what makes us unique. It is about showing the world who we are on the inside, letting our inner light shine through in whatever way feels right to us. Makeup is a form of art, and your face is the canvas. Every brushstroke, every color choice is a reflection of your mood and your imagination. On days when I feel a little down or not so confident, spending time doing my makeup can completely change my mood. It's like giving myself a pep talk, but with colors and brushes. It's a ritual, a moment of self-care, where I can focus on myself and create something beautiful. It's my war paint, my armor for the day ahead, and a way to remind myself of my own strength. This is why I started my Power of Makeup series, to share this empowering experience with others, and to show how makeup can be a tool for self-love. I wanted to show everyone that you can love yourself with or without makeup, and that both versions of you are equally beautiful and worthy. The goal is not to cover up your insecurities, but to have fun with the features you love. It's about celebrating what makes you, you. Maybe you love your eyes. Makeup can make them pop and sparkle even more, drawing attention to the things you're most proud of. Maybe you love the shape of your lips. The right lipstick can make them the star of the show, giving you that extra boost of confidence. It gives you the control to present yourself to the world exactly how you want to be seen on that particular day, whether you're feeling bold, playful, or serene. Some days you might want to be natural and fresh, letting your skin breathe and your natural features shine through. And other days you might want to be a full-on glam queen, sparkling and shining with every step you take. Both are amazing, because both are you. There's no right or wrong way to do makeup, just your way. So let's get our tools ready for battle and celebrate the art, the ritual, and the joy of makeup together. All right, artists, every masterpiece starts with the right tools. When you are a beginner, the makeup aisle can look very, very scary. There are so many products, so many brushes, and so many promises. But do not worry, you do not need to buy everything at once. We are going to build a simple, effective starter kit with just the essentials. First, you will need a few key products. We are talking about a foundation or a tinted moisturizer, a concealer, a translucent setting powder, a simple blush, a neutral eyeshadow palette, a mascara, and a lip color, like a gloss or a simple lipstick. That's it. This is your core team. Next up, let's talk about the tools to apply these gorgeous products. Again, you do not need a giant professional brush set. To start, I recommend getting just 3 or 4 key tools. These few tools will be your best friends and will help you apply your makeup flawlessly. Now, let's prepare our canvas. Okay, listen up, because this is probably the most important step of all. You can have the most expensive, most beautiful makeup in the world, but if your skin is not prepped, the makeup will not look good. It's like trying to paint on a bumpy, dirty canvas. The paint will not go on smoothly. Skincare is the true secret to flawless makeup. A good makeup application always starts with good skin prep. So before you even think about picking up that foundation bottle, we need to give our skin some love. This will make your makeup apply better, look better, and last longer. Trust me on this. The first step in your prep routine is to cleanse your face. You need to start with a clean slate. Use a gentle cleanser to wash away any dirt, oil, or old makeup from the day before. Pat your skin dry with a clean towel. Don't rub, be gentle. After cleansing, the next step is to moisturize. Now your skin is cleansed, hydrated, primed, and protected. Okay, so the time has come to lay down our base. This is where we even out the skin tone and create that flawless canvas. We are going to start with foundation. Take your makeup sponge and get it damp. This is a crucial trick. Run it under the tap and then squeeze out all the excess water until it's just slightly moist. A damp sponge will not soak up all your product and will help blend the foundation into your skin seamlessly, making it look like you're not wearing anything at all. Now put a small amount of foundation, start with 1 pump, on the back of your hand. This is your palette. Using your damp sponge, dab it into the foundation on your hand and then begin to gently bounce or stipple it onto your face. Start in the center of your face, like your cheeks and nose, and blend outwards. Use light bouncing motions, never wiping or smearing. Wiping will just move the product around and create streaks. Your canvas is now set. With our beautiful base complete, it's time to bring some life and dimension back into the face. This is where we really start to see the transformation, as color and shape return, making your features pop in the most flattering way. This is where we get to play with color. Let's start with blush, which is truly a makeup essential for adding warmth and vibrancy. Blush is my favorite step because it instantly makes you look so healthy and awake. It's like a little magic trick for your complexion, giving you that fresh, just in from the cold glow. Take your medium-sized blush brush, swirl it into your blush pan, and be sure to tap off the excess powder on the side of the container. This helps you control how much product goes onto your skin. This is so important to avoid putting a big, clown-like patch of color on your cheek. Remember, it's much easier to add more than to take away. It's always better to build the color up slowly. Start with a light hand and add more if you need it, checking your progress in natural light if possible. Now smile. When you smile, you can see the roundest part of your cheeks. These are the apples. This is the perfect spot to begin your blush application. Lightly sweep the blush onto the apples of your cheeks, blending the color upwards and back towards your hairline. This technique helps create a seamless, lifted effect. This upward motion gives your face a little lift. It enhances your cheekbones and adds a youthful, radiant look. Use soft, sweeping motions rather than rubbing back and forth. Gentle strokes help the blush blend beautifully into your skin for a flawless finish. You want a gentle, natural-looking flush of color as if you just came in from a brisk walk. The goal is to look refreshed, not overdone. And finally, swipe on your favorite lip gloss or lipstick, and your beautiful fresh look is complete. With these simple steps, your cheeks and lips will look radiant and full of life, ready for any occasion. Choosing the right colors, especially for your foundation, can feel like the hardest part of makeup. We have all seen people with foundation that is too light, too dark, or too orange. But I have some simple tips to make sure that never happens to you. The #1 rule for foundation matching is to never, ever test the color on your hand or your wrist. The skin on your hand is a completely different color and texture from the skin on your face. The best place to test a foundation shade is directly on your jawline. This area allows you to see how the color looks against both your face and your neck. When you are at the store, pick 3 shades that you think look the closest to your skin tone. Apply a small stripe of each one right next to each other on your jawline. Now here is the most important part. Go outside. The artificial lighting in stores can be very deceiving. Natural daylight is the only way to see the true color. Makeup is about joy. We have created our beautiful look. We have worn it all day. And now it is time for two very important final steps, taking it all off and cleaning our tools. Let's start with removing your makeup. It is so important to wash your face every single night before you go to bed. Sleeping in your makeup is one of the worst things you can do for your skin. It can clog your pores, lead to breakouts, and make your skin look dull. So, no matter how tired you are, please promise me you will always take a few minutes to clean your face. Your skin will thank you for it in the morning. There are many great ways to remove makeup. One of the easiest methods is to use a cleansing balm or an oil cleanser. You take a scoop of the balm, warm it up in your dry hands, and then massage it all over your dry face. Never dry them standing up, as water can drip down and ruin the handle. And there you have it, my loves. You have officially completed your first full makeup look. Take a moment to look in the mirror. Look at what you created. You followed the steps, you learned about the products, and you made it happen. You should feel so incredibly proud of yourself. This look is just the beginning, a single stepping stone on your amazing makeup journey. Remember that every single makeup artist you admire, including me, started in the exact same place, as a beginner, full of questions and maybe a little bit of doubt. We all had to learn and we all had to practice. Please, I beg you, do not get discouraged if it doesn't look perfect the first time or the second time or even the 10th time. Makeup is a skill, and like any skill, it takes practice to get better. Your hand needs to get used to holding the brushes. Your eyes need to learn what shapes and colors look best on you.